Some of the bikes in here couldn't be further from the stock Harleys they started out as. This one bike has had over 6 months worth of work put into it. We can figure out how to build anything in here. Welcome to our custom workshop in the heart of London. This one's an interesting commission. A replica build of the 120th anniversary limited edition CVO Road Glide, using a new CVO Road Glide as a base model. It's more complicated than it sounds, especially working to colour match and to map the original design onto the new bodywork. But to then elevate it, we've used gold leaf for the gold stripes. Anniversary badging, numbered 1501 of 1500, the one they didn't make. Performance baggers are really big news at the moment. We've got at least 4 on the go at different stages of their build, and we've got others waiting to be worked on. This one performance bagger, custom build, in collaboration with the owner, has had over 6 months worth of work put into it. It's a 135 RR Superbike project featuring the best components available. Using a Road Glide ST donor, it's inspired by the limited edition CVO RR with a 135 cubic inch stage 4 motor at its heart. We've got the build breakdown video now live if you want to discover more about this build. All the way down to the machined full titanium bolts holding it together. Over here, we have a commission based on a CVO Street Glide ST, featuring a machined primary engine case. Öhlins and Brembo again, full titanium exhaust system, a massive build with Screaming Eagle titanium and carbon mufflers. And on bench number 5, we're updating a Road King we built to high spec a few years ago with a new paint job in Harley Olive Gold. We'll be doing detailed breakdowns of the builds we're working on, so if you want to find out more, stay tuned to the channel.